started or touched this car ever since I put the wheels on the BRZ. So it's been like 2 months, it's just literally been sitting. As you can tell, it's just super dirty. Really freaking dirty. I'm gonna try to jump it right now. Hopefully it starts. I don't know, I just feel like this car needs to be driven, so we're gonna take it out. And, I don't know why I'm scared. I don't know the correct sequence, but
seems about right.
Yeah, I have not started this car in like 2 or so months. It's just been abandoned, guys. It's been sitting on the side of the street. As you can tell, it's so freaking dirty. It's literally in the worst condition this car has ever really been in. Reason being is because we took the wheels off to put on the BRZ. All right, she's good to go. I'm gonna have her started. I honestly forgot how this car even sounds, so kind of in for a surprise. You ready?
Classes in session, students.
Dude, it's been 3 months without bass. I'm having bass withdrawals. Damn, I can't believe we're in the FRS. It's been so freaking long. I miss the sounds. The blow-off valve, it sounds so good. How do you feel?
More nervous than ever, dude. It's been forever.
Yeah, it's been a while.
And all of his cars drive differently. I told him already, I was like, the BRZ, I feel like, is the easiest one to drive, which is crazy because they're very similar, but...
She likes the... What's that smell? Fried clutch. She likes the hill assist on the STI and the BRZ, so like it doesn't roll back. Kind of throws me off because I'm so used to driving stick, but she likes it. Bruh, that press sounds so good. Debating on doing like a full makeover on this thing. This thing definitely needs some love and care. There's a lot of stuff like on the wrap that's peeling, a lot of damage. This side skirt's cracked. I don't know, just a whole bunch of small stuff. The wrap is kind of done. It's been sitting. This has kind of been the daily before I got the STI, so it's quite a bit of damage. Kind of just the stuff you don't really see on camera often. I don't know, I either want to get this thing re-wrapped or like professionally painted, like a new paint job. Still debating on it because I definitely want to get this thing back on the road and looking nice again, because it's kind of honestly beat. It's kind of sad to see, but this car definitely needs a little restoration. This right here is another surprise for the FRS. These are actually some new wheels for the FRS. It's kind of been sitting for a while, but these things definitely need to get rebuilt for the wide body on the FRS. That's a little surprise. I'll probably reveal those in a future video, but some new wheels on the way. This right here, I feel like it's gonna make such a big difference on the car. I know it's something a lot of you guys have been requesting for the STI, and overall it's just gonna make such a big difference. So with that being said, I'm really excited to throw this thing on. It's honestly my favorite carbon fiber front lip of all time for these cars, and the best. It looks so freaking sick, makes the car look much lower, and it's definitely what this car needs, because I feel like this car with no front lip, it just looks really weird in my opinion. So that mod right there I'm really excited for. And fingers crossed I don't break it, because last time when I had it on the WRX, I broke it pretty quick, and I was on bags, so that was like no excuse to break it. So yeah, that sucked, but hopefully fingers crossed we don't break it this time. I have no help today, so hopefully I can line this thing up perfectly on the front bumper. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox the OLM carbon fiber front lip. So freaking good. Best lip out there, literally. I know lips are kind of just like a small modification, but Trust guys, once we throw this thing on, you guys will see. This lip is from SubiSpeed. I believe it's by OLM. It's a CS style carbon fiber front lip. I have a discount code as well, BRGS STI. It'll save you guys 10% off on their website. Also, this is pretty freaking cool. I was not expecting this whatsoever. We have some side skirts. Now I actually picked this up secondhand, so this is not brand new, but you guys are gonna love this. This is so freaking cool. So these are actually the same exact side skirts that were on the red WRX. Now I'm not talking about like, you know, buying the same ones that were on the car. This is literally the same one that I had literally in my hands on the WRX. The person that bought these side skirts off of me, I'm pretty close with him, you know, we're friends. So he was actually parting ways with these side skirts, so I felt like it'd be perfect to throw it on the STI. I don't know, it's just so cool how we have like a piece from the red WRX. So yeah, since I think we're good. So yeah, alongside the front lip, we were gonna be having matching side skirts. One more thing guys, to match it, we have the same carbon fiber spats on the rear. Just like the side skirts, these are the same ones that we had on the WRX. But yeah, we have a whole literally lip kit to put on the STI now, and I'm excited. Fingers crossed we don't break them. Ideally, it should look something like this. Oh yeah, that's gonna be such a big difference. Pretty freaking low too, not gonna lie. That looks so That's so freaking sick. So I kind of jacked up both ends. We got the right side and the driver's side on jacks. Ideally it looks something like this, kind of a rough draft. I know we got the front kind of sagging a little bit, but way better than the stock bumper. Don't you guys agree? That's like 100 times more aggressive. Alright, as far as fitment, this thing is pretty spot on. Usually when I put lips on, I start from the sides. So I line up both of the sides, passenger and the driver. So as you can see right here, corners pretty much lined up. Come to the other side, same thing on the driver's side. So as you can tell, the lines up perfectly with the curve. But you know, for a rough draft, fitment's perfect. You know, just jacking it up on both sides. Time to drill some self taps through the lip. $20 off Victoria's Secret. I don't know how this ended up in here. Alright guys, we're finished with the nuts and bolts. So this is what I pretty much used. I ran to Home Depot and grabbed pretty much what they got. Some nuts, some washers, and there's actually some wide body hardware. I'll try to find the link, but I had this laying around in the house. It's used for wide bodies, that's why it has this like super nice little washer with it. And that's pretty much what I used guys, and it actually came out super clean. As you can tell, it's nice and sleek with a nice washer. Put some washers behind it as well with the nut. And it's pretty much what I did guys. Pretty clean. It's not going anywhere. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 nuts and bolts all around the bumper. This should be plenty, honestly. But yeah, let's throw this on the car and move on to the side skirts. Alright, so we got both side skirts off. Honestly, all it is just pop clips. So there's a whole bunch on the bottom, these huge pop clips. But I actually broke 2 tabs. So these are supposed to be attached to the side skirt. As you can tell, it's these black things right here. But they just completely snapped off. I don't know how, but it is what it is. Probably gonna end up doing this tomorrow. Daylight savings. I feel like I'm always complaining in my videos about this, how it gets so freaking dark early now. But today we got the front lip on. Huge success. It looks so freaking good. Alright guys, so the side skirts are officially done. As you can tell, the carbon skirts are now mounted onto the stock side skirts. Underneath, you can see we got nuts and bolts all throughout, so this thing is not going anywhere. This thing is freaking strong, ready to go in the car. So yeah, let's pop these on real quick, super simple, just a few pop clips, and let's see what it looks like on the car. Just like that, super simple. Literally took like a minute. It's nothing too complex. It's just a nice little add-on to the bottom. Definitely makes it look much lower. And best of all, it matches the front lip. Alright, last piece of the puzzle. We got some carbon fiber rear spats. These are supposed to go somewhere right here. Something like that. So yeah, nice little detail. Yo, what do you guys think? Dude, that lip and the side skirts made such a big difference. This lighting is kind of trash, not gonna lie, but dude, it looks like complete. Like, it just flows so well. I mean, given they're the same brand, so they're meant to flow together, but dude, it looks so much better with the lip and side skirts on. This thing sits pretty low too, not gonna lie, so that kind of worries me. Kind of hits my foot when I put it under. Dude, that's pretty low, so hopefully this thing lasts. It looks so freaking good though. So freaking cool. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section below. This is nice too. It's a nice little detail to flow with the rest of the car, especially with all the carbon. Now looking at the car, we have a lot of carbon fiber. We got the carbon lip, carbon side skirts, carbon rear spats, as well as the carbon fiber license plate, backing plate, whatever you want to call that. I wish I had someone with me right now so we can get rollers of the car. That'd be so sick to kind of see everything all together with it rolling on the street. But unfortunately, I'm all by myself right now, so maybe some other time we'll go ahead and get some rollers, probably in the next video, to show you guys, you know, what it looks like rolling. Dude, I'm obsessed. I've just been looking at this for like the past 5 minutes. It's crazy the difference of freaking front lip and side skirts can make to the car. It just looks so funky without the front lip. I just felt like something was missing on the front end. You guys can see, look how high the front bumper is to the ground, and then the lip, like literally this lip is so freaking thick. As always, I'll have the link to all these parts down in the description. And yeah guys, as always, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below so far on how the STI looks. I think I told you guys already, but one little secret, I guess, for all you guys still watching the video, is the silver's not gonna be here for that much longer. I'm hoping for the month of December, we're gonna get this car wrapped a complete different color. So the silver's gonna go. I'm so tired of the silver. I know a lot of you guys love the silver. A lot of you guys have silver, you know, WRX STIs. But for me, it's just not my thing. I don't know. It just looks so basic to me. Taking a look at the other cars, we got the purple BRZ, the blue FRS. So as you can tell, I love loud, bright colors. So I already have a color in mind, and I'm 90% confident that we're gonna go with this color. So it looks good. It's not like a crazy color, but at the same time, it's not like a basic color. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go with this color. I'm like 90% sure I'm gonna do it. But yeah, for all you guys still watching the video, that's a little, I guess, Easter egg for you guys.